Me mamoni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Kennedy Japan Juma wo die si neni so no. Ende ye twen say we say wabeba all out against Prophet Nigel Gacy. So we are waiting for what he'll be bringing us the more evidence ebeba. Now, Osofo Kumchacha aba bontinya aba bekasa. I think he sat on Kantanka TV. And na wakan sembi. Na nsema Kumchacha kan no. Ne kre wom ebi nso ase ne kre ni sa side nti mebo audio na tremo na mebo audio ni tremo a na baby a me feel say da bi ne kre nim e wo ho no ma trechim baby a me feel say ne kre wom no ma trechim. But let me just give you the brief. Last time me tremo say Ghana has say psychologically and we all have this notion say wasofo bi e preachi e wo twi mu a the percentage say ye de no ebeka a false prophet and a fake prophet no a high. You fan say ye wo nsofo mienu. Bako preachi wo twi. O si wo ye D4 o preachi wo twi mu. Bako nso si wo ye D4 a wo preachi wo brofo mu. Naturally, a lot of people psychologically even without realizing omo behu brofo no de wo preachi wo brofo mu say wo ye genuine. Some people will see twi de no say wo no won sheda anye genuine sa ana twi de no e bia wo ye fake, wo nye fake bisa no. Let me actually say 90% behu brofo de no just at the first glance and at first impression. Yes, say first impression counts. Just for the first impression, 90% be to me who they will preach brofo no say one do genuine. 50% just for the first impression obe who they will preach wo twi ni say one no sheda anye genuine sir. That's how we are as a nation. Internet na Kumchacha eka say yes, say Kennedy Japan wo bo adwuma wo ya de so expose asofo to say wo massive Christians for omani ate say okay okwa asori amenye say wo kwa asori na osofo bedware o ukunu kran dware da but osofo so bedware ne san nyama ni na no e wo say enkrofo eni eda ho ehu ne say wo munja ye nti ade Kennedy Japan ye ne de ya depa nanso say Kennedy Japan na ye expose only the true speaking prophet as fake prophet na enye ke Japan we are one thing si brofo ne mu wo mo preach in brofo na Ghana ha say yehu mo say wo mo ya sofo nkukudam no o se wo mo nso zala fake insensem na o mo so etonton wonyama etonton ade ama church members a e wo se sa side so ye hwe ne ye ka enti nsemo Akumchacha wode atudwa no yenkonko tie ne bra ne e ba we a asemo a waka no we'll speak on it because I have something to say about that particular thing. Enti yenko tie Kumchacha mbra
ya papa Kennedy Japan de bia me ka se nyame nhira no wa ma eni kwaku anan ni host no nyame nhira wo mi no o wa ma Ghana fo bebrani ada ho because ya won krofo bebre wo ho a on sua Bible se won sua nyame asem ansua Bible a ena wo ye oba na wo peba na wo pa wade a na sebe sofo jimifo bi se me kodwale ho na wate ase ye wo bra wo kunkura nywale woda sua nyame asem ne nyame asem no entene wo na wo hwa ade a Ghana ha na de me be kan wo di kan ye iba men kensi so yan ya na ye katwi e preach no ya na most no enkrofo hu ye different e no we kan brofo no enkrofo hu different ba enkrofo bi tete office e wo Ghana ha wa she coat up and down said yourself Kumchacha ma shame die abotai e no te office aban 04 no wa creative 40 account na ye 80 ne de ne ye gentry thief mama nye example we eya oil de ekuta me eya oil wa ba software wa deep tree e preach ho wa ton ama na 100 Ghana na ye 1 million wa ton ama na 50 cedi 500,000 titiska eba TV so na eba radio so a ena osoftware ton oil ama obi 100 Ghana wa ton oil ama obi 50 Ghana fo be kasa asofo na enketwi awon no eka borofo no onton suo onton oyele otro book na waton baako $5,000. $5,000 what's the samba Ghana schema is almost 300 million. Ono de waka burofo nti no. Ghana fo adwen ko ho.
Obi be ka say eyen homa.
Eyen homa. Meba. Okay, 2 Corinthians 2:17. 2 Corinthians 2:17. Paul kura say yente se won a wone nam tonton nyame asem. 2 Corinthians 2:17. Owo ton nyame asem. So I say it would the no kura na enye. Ba won se won no borofo na won di preaching ti no nipa sabe eni nko ho ena nipa adwen ko ho. Oko won asole ya won adi borofo preaching no
Omo dwedwem bi.
Won ton calendar.
Inti kum chacha say atonton ne de womo chief wono womo ton oil omo beka se sei na omo speak English ne so womo so ton ade na womo so ade a womo ton eye books and the calendar. Now I'll speak on the books side no. In this particular instance, Kum Chacha is trying to relate sa abenyifo nku and this anointing oil no to books dabi. Mr. Kum Chacha, he shouldn't make that mistake. It is like he's comparing apples to oranges. Yes, obi beka say and there's some amo ton and cre so for now womo eye brofo no they write books and they sell and they and the cre make me so for a true book. But you see the difference in the whole thing they say me so for anointing oil the wire and they say wo be ma wo bia to anointing oil na finifie aba muntie ne ye sabi book no wo bia to me intro book en finifie mba. But anointing oil no me so for the oil ne say wo be ma obi ato anointing oil na efinifie aba no ono abompaye e wo so na wo hira so ama na wo de ko and there is no problem. But say wo so for no wo ko fa anointing oil no and then the last time abrante bia wo ya anointing oil la wo ne obi nim nya so mo ba bonti be explain how they do the anointing oil. Say wo ko fa anointing oil aba na wo wa beton wa ma church members e try mo say yes no that is what we are talking about. If you are equating it to the books English software no eton you are making a mistake. Because who anointing oil no wo fa by e na wo abompa yegu so whether a yenshira or enye yenshira but wo fa by na wo abompa yegu so e na wo ton book no ebetumi afa osofo beya 1 year of research and writing and sana wotumi publish book. So the effort that goes into making a book no enye easy yenim. It is not like anointing oil now we will go to a beton no. You should understand that the book involves the use of your brain. Sometimes the inspiration quotation the book writing sorry I say book. Sorry I say book. It was a research on the topic you are even writing on. You make sure you are well equipped in knowledge. Yes, you are well equipped in knowledge in that particular topic you are writing on. And so now to me a throw book no. And so if you are equating the selling of a book to the selling of anointing oil, then I'm sorry. There is a difference. And I understand the fact that yes, Ghana for obi preaching brofo a eya na ehu ne say wo yourself for power. I understand that fact. That fact the Kum Chacha is right. Because omo preaching brofo no ebi mo kra wo mo eye fake ene de ene kre. But book ne oil ene sa apple na wo mo eton nsofo bi ton kosia na nyama no they are totally different. Osofo na nya na oye kosia no. Ugoto kosia no na wo say wa bompa yeguso ana insio ugoto insio no and I'll say what we brand there bompa yeguso and our friend in Kwansio say insuransio. It is not that it's not the same thing as the book. It takes people even 3 good years to write books. Now what book we are unreal proof reading open crofo every dimu a mistake be a won't piano you're correcting as a book no eba. You make sure you minimize the mistakes, the grammatical errors in it. Just say the processes that goes into the making of a book, no, obviously, you can't just do it and bring it out for free. So you can't compare the making of a book our so airton to oil no. That be in the first place book no, it impacts knowledge into the person. Oil no then we say, oh, and the oil it gives spiritual blessing. Yes, the book also can give spiritual blessing. Because book no extra when yama bi e ma won say okay, so person yankopon hia wa bompaye wa ha bompaye say pray like this, pray like this. The book has impacted knowledge into you that will stick with you forever. And a book natural say na obenya yankopon hia. So the spiritual side and so who did the book natural so you get the blessing. But the oil now otono misro, what physical knowledge has it impacted onto you? Ebia na oil diano, it is only spiritual. Yati ase. Ebema ebia spiritual blessing be yati ase. But the book will give you both, and so you can't compare. It was also be a modern, a wasted time, and investing. No, make us so wasted time, but investing the time and resources in the creation of a book. Na book ne ya. Utumika say because chief on the ton oil inti it's also for some monton book no. Obviously, you are comparing apples to oranges. Just somewhere down no. Muncha mo adwo comment box mo tie for me da say.